Okay, my name is Miss Moser, and I'll be teaching you guys' class today. Warm-up problem number 1. Okay, the answer for that one was 1. Oops. Warm-up problem number 2. Okay, so for this one, you want to do this first. So 3 times 2 is 6. You get 4 plus 6 over 2 squared. 4 plus 6 is 10, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 squared is 25. Warm-up problem number 3. Okay, the answer for this one was 2,500. Warm-up problem number 4. I recorded that. Okay. Warm-up problem number 5. Okay, for this one we want to do 6 minus 2 first, which is 4. And 4 squared will give us 16. So we have 9 times 16 plus 6 over 25. 9 times 16 is 144, plus 6 is 150. And 150 over 25 equals 6. Okay, bring up your number for the lottery. Okay, today's lottery number is 2. Anybody have 2? Okay, homework check. Take it back to Mr. Skinner. Okay, homework answers. Bring up 1 through 3. Okay, the answers were negative 4, negative 11, and negative 3. If you had 3, come on up. Bring up 4 through 6. Alright, the answers for 4 through 6 are 3, 6, and negative 6. If you have 3, bring up 7 through 9. Okay, the answers for 7 through 9 are negative 8, negative 10, and 5. Bring up 10 through 12. The answers for 10 through 12 are 0, 5, and 0. If you have 3, come on up. Bring up 13 through 15. The answers for 13 through 15 are negative 9, negative 11, and 3. Alright, any questions on the homework? No? Okay, today's learning objective is demonstrate fluency in computations using real numbers. And our learning target for today? Add, subtract, multiply, and divide positive and negative numbers. Okay, example problem number 1. 20 divided by 4, positive over a positive is a positive 5. A negative 20 over a positive 4 is going to be a negative 5. A positive 20 over a negative 4 is going to be negative 5. And then a negative over a negative, negative 20 over negative 4 is going to give us positive 5. Okay, example problem number 2 works the same exact way. We have a negative and a positive. It's going to give us a negative answer. So it's going to give us negative 10. Negative 30 over negative 3, 2 negatives, is going to give us a positive 10. 30 over 3 will give us positive 10. And a 30 divided by a negative 3 will give us negative 10. Okay, practice problem number 1. Okay, so for practice problem number 1, we have a negative 48 over a positive 16. So we're going to have a negative answer, and it is negative 3. Okay, so for this one, we have negative over a negative, so we're going to have a positive answer. So negative 12 divided by negative 4 will give us 3. Second bonus problem. Practice problem number 2. So for practice problem number 2, we have negative 64 over positive 16, so we're going to have a negative answer, and it's going to be negative 4. Alright, bonus problem. This one. Remember, when you guys have a negative over a negative, it's going to give us a positive answer. So for this one, we have 16. So for this one, it's just 72 divided by 12. They're both positive, so we're going to have a positive answer of 6. Speed problems. So for this one, we want to do the parentheses first. So we get 5 minus 1 is 4, and 4 squared is 16. So we have 3 plus 2 times 16 plus 2 plus 3 over 20. 2 times 16 is 32, and then we just add them all up. So 32 plus 3 is 35, plus 2 plus 3 will make it 40. So 40 over 20, is going to give us 2. Okay, so for this one, 1 plus 1 is 2, and 2 squared will be 4. So we have 9 plus 8 plus, and then we do 6 times 2, which will be 12, plus 1. So that gives us 9 plus 8 is 17, plus 12 will give us 29, plus 1 will give us 30. Yeah, you almost had it. So 30 over 6 will give us 5. Okay. Number 3. The answer for this one is 36. Alright, number 4. The answer for this one was 25. Alright, number 5. Okay, answer for this one was 7. Alright, example problem number 3. Alright, a negative 3 minus a negative 4. When we're subtracting a negative, we can change these signs to plus positive. So we have negative 3 plus 4, and that'll give us 1. And then a 5 minus a negative 6, we can change those signs to plus positive. So 5 plus 6 is going to give us 11. Okay, example problem number 4. Alright, 5 plus negative 2. The 5 here is going to be bigger, so our answer is going to be a positive number. And 5 plus negative 2 will be 3. A negative 3 plus a negative 6 is going to give us negative 9. Alright, practice problem number 3. Okay, so practice problem number 3, negative 7 minus negative 3. When we have a minus a negative number, we can change the signs to plus positive. So we have a negative 7 plus 3, and negative 7 with a positive 3 will give us negative 4. So for this one, remember when we add a negative or subtract a negative. Okay, when we subtract a negative, we can change the signs to plus positive. So negative 4 plus 2. And then negative 4 and positive 2 will give us a negative 2. Alright, both. Okay, so for this one we have a positive 5 and we have a negative 7. So basically we're going up 5 and then we're going back 7. So this is going to give us a negative 2. Our negative 7 is the bigger number here, so we're going to have a negative answer. Oh, crap. Okay, practice problem number 4. So for practice problem number 2, a negative 8 and a negative 2 is going to give us a total of negative 10. Okay, so for this one we have a 5 plus a negative 2. This is the same as saying 5 minus 2. So that's going to give us 3. Okay, so we have a minus and negative, so what do we need to do? Change it to a positive, yes. So negative 9 plus 2 is going to give us negative 7.